Hello everyone, welcome to Revision Points Arabic. Learning Arabic has never been easy this. It is very unique, easy and very effective. Revision Point is a platform for the school students where the students can learn Arabic reading and writing in 8 classes. Revision Points provide Arabic basic and advanced reading and writing, making sentence, writing paragraphs, dictation, spelling test, grammar course, exam preparation, solve and English translated worksheets, Islamic education, Qur'an with Tajweed, Norani Qaida, Kalmas, Masnoon Duaas, Slaah, and much more. Classes are available from KG till grade 12, Arabic, English, Urdu, and Hindi speakers. Choose the best. And subscribe for more educational videos for kids. Thank you.